Hi, welcome back. You all know mask is a savior, but at the same time it is dangerous too. And how to mitigate this danger is what is our topic today, and let us discuss the topic. So now try to understand that there are some etiquettes of wearing mask. Very important thing is that once you start wearing this mask, what you have to do is when you put this mask onto your face, what happens is now you are respiring through this place and most of the air will get sucked from this place. So what happens is, just like vacuum cleaner, how it sucks the air from the surroundings, in the same way your nose will also suck the air from the surroundings, and all the contaminated particles that come will get stuck onto this place. And when it is stuck on this place, what happens is, I have seen many times that people will pull their mask from this place and bring it down to talk, to eat, or to drink water, and then they will place this back on their nose. Now they have to understand a very important fact, that the most infected part of this mask is the front portion, where the nose is acting like a suction machine and a vacuum cleaner, and it is sucking all the air from the environment, and this is the place which is the most infected place, and you are touching this place time and again the whole day long. And when you want to remove this mask, you have to be very careful while removing this mask. So when you do this, the infection, the virus are on your hand. If you touch your nose, mouth or eyes with these hands, then you are surely going to get infected with any viral infection, for that matter COVID also. So you have to be very careful. And the second thing that you have to understand, that don't keep these masks on the table, don't put this mask into your pocket. You have to be very careful in placing this mask, because this is an infected mask, and if you really want to keep this mask and use it for the next day, then what you have to do is you have to hang this mask. Don't put this mask on your table or any other place, because people in your family can touch it and get infected. So please be careful and please follow the mask etiquettes while handling this mask. I hope this makes things clear to you, this makes sense to you, and thank you very much. If you have any question about using mask, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you very much.